This N8N workflow will research the topic, create the content, find the product UPC, and then go onto the affiliate network to find those affiliate links without you having to do anything. Add the links to the content and then post it onto your WordPress website as a draft. After completion, it's going to send you a notification email saying it's completed. So let's break down this workflow step by step so you can replicate the same thing into your project. So right here we have a scheduled time trigger, which is going to grab the topic idea from our Google Sheet. In this case, under our Google Sheet, we have 6 categories: topic cluster, intent, keywords, primary keywords, and status. What N8N will do is come in here and grab the first row with the status set to no, signifying that this content needs to be written. So it's going to pull the data from this row into our workflow. Next, we have the RAS research agent. Its main job is to research the topic based on the information we gathered from the Google Sheet. And it's going to also reference our vector database. In this case, we are using Pinecone, which we have imported many of our pre-trained data to the degree of accuracy that we want. Next, it's going to pass the outline to the content creation agent. This node will reference the Pinecone database in order to write in the way that we want. In this case, we are creating a piece of content recommending products. It's going to be about 5 tactical flashlights. So it's going to find the products from the writing and it's going to organize them into a list. Next, we're going to process all of the product names into our product UPC fetching agent. So just to briefly go over what this HTTP request node does, if we open this up, it's using a Google Serper API. What this does is it's going to pull the query from the previous node, which is all of the UPC code that we have found, and it's going to fetch through them on the internet. By the way, if you need this template, it's totally free to download in the first link in the description so you can follow along. You don't have to piece together everything by yourself. Just download the template and follow the tutorial step by step. Next, we're going to pass all of the UPC code through our affiliate link generator, which is this one right here. We are using AventLink as our affiliate network, which I can show you exactly how to set up this API system, where you can use this system to automatically generate affiliate links from the affiliate network without you having to grab links one by one. Once our product UPC codes have been found, the next thing we're going to do is pass them through our affiliate link agent. What this workflow will do is to find our affiliate links by searching them on our affiliate network through an API call. So in this case, one UPC code will pass through the batch split workflow. We're going to find it on our affiliate network. We're going to format the output and then save them onto our Google Sheet. And we're going to add a wait node to grab the next UPC code. And this process will continue until all of the affiliate links have been found. Now, to briefly go over what this HTTP request node does on the affiliate network, let's open this up. What we have here is we have referenced our AventLink API documentation, and we have another video showing you exactly how to do this. You can watch the video in the link in the description. So what we did is we are sending a query parameters to search the UPC code, which we have a JSON handlebar that we can drag from our batch split node into our value section as an expression, and then it's going to pass the UPC code to the API call. Okay, and then it's going to find the product, output them as a string, all bundled up together. But we're not done yet. We can't just use this information here. What we have to do is format the information to turn all of those data into different categories where we can easily grab the product price, the product name, and the buy URL. And this is our affiliate links that we want. So in this case, we're using a JavaScript code to convert all of this information, which is hard to read, into a more organized format where you can see the product name, the URL, the price, and everything like that. And so that we can easily drag the handlebar into our expression for the next workflow. So once the affiliate links are found, it's going to pass through this array conversion so that we can format everything to get ready to be added into our content. Once all of the affiliate links have been found, it's going to reformat the link and then combine that with our content. And then it's going to do a HTML optimization, add a slug, add a post title, add a meta description, and then finally post them onto our WordPress website. Once it's complete, it's going to update the Google Sheet and it's going to send us a notification email. And there it is. 5 tactical flashlights options for everyday use. And this is a draft. We have our links. If a product wasn't found on the affiliate network, it will simply grab the organic link it has found through the API, the SERP API HTTP request. And now this is our content. The links have been automatically updated, and you don't have to go in there and individually add hyperlinks one by one, which takes a tremendous amount of time if you have 50 up to 200 pieces of content that you have to create. Now, if you want to learn more how to grab affiliate links directly using the API call, please watch this video next.